Today, I will be sharing a simple home remedy for eliminate wrinkles. It is also good for skin whitening and brightening, and reduces pigmentation. First ingredient is rice. We will need 3 tablespoons of rice. Rice is rich in antioxidants that reduce sign of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. Wash it properly. Add water and leave it for 15 minutes. Please subscribe to my channel. We will need a banana peel. Please press the like button. Banana peel helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Banana peel also whiten and brighten your skin. Banana peel cut into pieces. Take a pan and add banana peel and rice. Add 2 cups of water. Put on fire and cook on medium flame until it softens. It should be cooked fully. Let it cool down completely. Take a blender and add cooked rice and banana peel. Blend it very well. Strain it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Add 1 tablespoon of dry milk powder. Mix it very well. Add a tablespoon of almond oil. Half a teaspoon of glycerine. Mix all the ingredients very well. If you like the video, please like, comment, and share with your family and friends. After mixing, transfer into a clean container. How to use it? Wash your face with cleanser. Apply it on your face, neck, hands. Massage for few minutes to get good results. Apply it for 2 to 3 hours or overnight.